Still in the news, the extent of the damage to infrastructure is frightening. Words of Minister of Local Government and Community Development, Desmond McKenzie, as he visited the hardest hit areas of Falmouth, Trelawney recently. He was accompanied by local government officials and response teams to inspect damaged critical facilities and discuss immediate recovery efforts. Crystal Williams reports.
I've been in Falmouth from this morning is total devastation.
On Saturday, Minister of Local Government and Community Development Desmond McKenzie toured Falmouth with Mayor Colin Gagel to assess the widespread damage, inspecting battered markets, broken roadways and community infrastructure in order to chart the path toward recovery. Minister McKenzie says the municipal building, the fire station and the infirmary are in dire need of attention.
If I am to make comparison with Falmouth and Blackwood, the only thing that Falmouth have over Blackwood is that there are commercial activities taking place, but the extent of the damage to the infrastructure of Falmouth is frightening.
He says the municipal building will need to be rebuilt to a better standard than before. In the meantime, vendors who use the Falmouth market are desperate to return to work.
We want the main thing, the things them fix up properly, and we want to say we can work together and fix the market by December. And we want the water at the gate, the water is the main thing.
To fix
the water, the draining and everything. Because right now, see, I'm a water boat, never put on and take off the shoes. To come in, because the things them inside, you understand?
So we
want everybody to work together.
Mr. McKenzie says drain cleaning in and around the Falmouth markets will be expedited.
I have given instructions to the mayor that immediate drain cleaning must be undertaken, and they must hire extra trucks to assist in removing the debris out of the town of Falmouth. They have started already, but I've said to him, get more trucks in the systems to help to alleviate the conditions.
In the meantime, Mayor Gagel says the main focus is on clearing the debris from the markets. He also says market fees are being temporarily waived. He says most buildings in the Trelawney capital will have to be rebuilt.
We have lost a whole lot. We have lost the main building in the town, and as Minister said to you, some of these buildings, it doesn't make sense. We try to find that amount of money. So we might have to look at new place, new land, and see what can be done.
Crystal Williams reporting for CVM News.